Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn about inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So if you are given matrix A which contains the elements A, B, C and D, and you are told find the inverse. This is how you find the inverse. The inverse of this matrix is written as A raised to power negative 1. And the inverse of a matrix is first given by the determinant. You get the determinant of that matrix. Then the determinant becomes the numerator, the denominator. So we have to get a determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. You take A multiplied by D, which is A, D minus B multiplied by C, B multiplied by C. Then the matrix, the determinant, this 1 over the determinant is multiplied by the interchange of D and A, which is D, A, you interchange elements A and D. Then the members of the lagging diagonal have a negative sign, minus B, minus C. This means it will be your inverse for this matrix. This is how you get the inverse. So for instance, you can be told, you can be given matrix B which contains the following members. We have 3, we have 3, we have 2, we have 2. You are told find the inverse, find the inverse. To get the inverse of this matrix, which is given as B raised to power negative 1, you get the determinant. The determinant of the matrix is 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Then, since this is 3 and this is 3, there is no need to interchange. You still, even if interchange, you still remain with 3, 3, 3. These members of the lagging diagonal now get a negative sign, like that. So that means the inverse of this matrix is given as 1, 9 minus 4. Then we have 3, negative 2, and 3. This simply, you simplify this further, you have 1 over 5. Then we have 3, 3, negative 2, negative 2. This is the inverse of this matrix. You can also be given matrix. You can also be given matrix X, which contains the following members. You have 2, you have 3, you have 1, you have 5. Then you are told find the inverse. You are told find the inverse. So to get the inverse, which is x raised to power negative 1, you get the determinant first. So it's 1 over the determinant. And we know our determinant. You take 2 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 1. So that means these members, you interchange the members of the leading diagonal. We have 5, we have 2. Then the members of this other diagonal, they maintain a negative sign. They have a negative sign. You multiply them with a negative sign. So this will mean that our inverse is given by 10 minus 3. Then we have 5, negative 3, negative 1, 2. Our inverse is 1 over 7, 5, negative 1, negative 3, 2. This becomes our inverse. You can also be given another matrix here, another example. You can also be given a matrix M which contains the following members. Maybe we have 6, we have negative 1, we have 3, then we have 2 or even negative 2. Then you are told find the inverse. You are told find the inverse. To get the inverse, this is how you still follow the same step. The inverse of this is given as follows. To get the determinant, 1 over the determinant, 6 multiplied by negative 2. So we have 6 multiplied by negative 2 minus negative 1 multiplied by 3. Then you get the matrix here which is, you interchange the 2, here we have negative 2, we have 6. You multiply this with a negative, it becomes a positive 1. You multiply this with a negative, it becomes negative 3. So this means that our inverse will be given as follows. 6 multiplied by negative 12 is, by negative 2 is negative 12, minus, this is 3, negative 3. Then we have this still same matrix, negative 2, negative 3, 1, and 6. If you simplify this further, this becomes 1, this is 1 over negative 12 plus 3 becomes negative 9. Then we have negative 2, negative 3, 1, and 6. This becomes our inverse. This negative sign can be written here. That becomes our inverse. So that's how to do an inverse for a 2 by 2 matrix. Thank you.